Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. If your Skype installation not work properly, you can try this option. Go to the start menu and select settings or type settings and hit enter. Go to apps and search for Skype from the application of Microsoft Store. And click on uninstall and click on uninstall. Wait a moment, and when the process is ending or finished, open up your favorite web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome, and go to google.com and hit enter and search for Skype app download and hit enter. Go to the official site of skype.com and you can search for your Windows installation, for example Windows 10 or Windows 11. In this case I use Windows 10 and click in this button. Close this window and go back and go to downloads and try this option, get Skype for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Click on close, don't open Microsoft Store, click on cancel and click in try again. Try again for the exe file and wait a moment for download. Click on show in folder, is a classic installation, and go to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, click on yes and click on install. And yeah, this is all. This installation is an alternative and working properly. I hope to help you in this tutorial and see you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.